Traktsia AD is a private joint stock company specializing in the manufacture, repair and modernization of freight wagons. As a successor of wagon repair plant Samuil, founded in 1972, Traktsia AD combines long-time experience with traditions in repair work, in accordance with European norms and requirements. Thanks to its many years' experience and the high quality of its products and services, Traktsia AD has built long-standing partnerships with companies like VTG, GATX, On Rail, NACCO, Ermewa, ERR, Locotrans, Lukoil, BDZ, Holcim, DB Schenker and others. Traktsia AD's production activity is divided in two main lines. The first main line is freight wagon manufacture. The company manufactures open freight wagons and flat wagons in compliance with all European standards and normative documents, including those concerning TSI wagons and TSI noise. The manufacture of the wagon frame main assembly is carried out in two separate facilities. For this process, the necessary technological equipment has been installed, including jigs for each single assembly, welding positioners ensuring a high quality of welding process, a portal for automated underflux welding, machines for welding in a protective gas environment, hoisting equipment, monitoring and measuring equipment, as well as all the necessary storage areas. The final frame assembly is done on special jigs that guarantee the correct geometrical dimensions and the proper positioning of different assemblies and parts. After being installed, the frames are set on a positioner for the final completion of welding process. The frame's dimension control is carried out on a measurement stand designed to ensure that all the dimensions specified in the quality standards for this type of production are duly measured. Having passed quality control, the frame is fitted with the necessary elements and assemblies in different stations, depending on the manufactured wagon type. The second main line is implementation of planned and unplanned repairs of freight wagons, as well as modernizations of different kinds. This work is carried out in two main production facilities. The first facility is for repair of the frame and body of the wagons. There are 12 workstations. Each of them is equipped with the necessary machinery for welding in a protective gas environment, gas flame cutting equipment, mechanical and electrical tools, etc. A hydraulic stand is installed in the facility to ensure the right geometry of the wagon body. The second facility is for the repair of wagon running gear. The facility includes two main sections. One of them is for repair to the bogies. It has 6 workstations for checking and replacing the unfit parts of a bogie frame and lever brake system. A frame and bogie measurement stand, a control device for bogie springs and coiled springs. On completion, the repaired bogie is painted and baked in a combined paint chamber. The other section is for wheel axle repairs. It has a robotic complex and a production line for dismantling bearings and bearing boxes and washing them in specialized machinery. The cleaned boxes and bearings undergo a final cleaning and quality control and are then prepared for assembly. The wheel axles are cleaned of old paint. The internal bearing bushes and labyrinth rings are dismounted with the help of induction heaters. The cleaned wheel axles pass ultrasonic and magnetic defectoscopy, performed by specialists that have all the necessary international certificates for this kind of activity. The rolling surface processing is carried out on two specialized CNC-facing lathes. Traktsia AD is able to replace the unfit wagon wheels with new ones. After quality control and processing, a new coat of paint is applied on the wheel axles in a paint chamber. The mounting of labyrinth rings and bearing bushes is done in a separate room with the help of induction heaters and oil bath heating. The assembly of bearings and boxes is done in a specialized room fitted with all the necessary devices and measuring tools. The brake system elements are repaired and tested in a specialized section. It has all the necessary stands for testing the main components of automatic train brakes. A special department is furnished for the repair and diagnostics of air distributor valves type KE1 and KE2. The next step in manufacture or repair of the wagon is its preparation for painting. This is done in a specially designed blast chamber. The painting and the paint baking are carried out into specialized paint chambers provided with mobile platforms for moving the workers during the painting process. To guarantee the high quality of the process, modern airless spray machines are used which allow the implementation of all kinds of painting systems. The coat thickness is controlled by means of ultrasonic thickness gauges. At the end of the work process, the wagon is gauged and handed over to the customer. The necessary parts and elements are manufactured in 3 sections. The first is for cutting. It is equipped with guillotines, sheet bending machines and press shears. 3 CNC-controlled portal machines are set up here for plasma cutting of complex forms and greater thicknesses. The mechanical facility has modern CNC machine tools. As well as universal machines. The modern tools and technologies, the quality of the materials, and the highly qualified workers ensure the efficiency and quality of manufactured parts. The press forging facility has screw presses, eccentric presses, and pneumatic forging presses that ensure the efficiency and quality of manufactured parts. In order to meet customer requirements concerning the manufactured product, Traktsia AD has implemented a quality management system, ISO 9001-2008. The entire manufacturing process is monitored by experienced controllers, strictly following the design and technological specifications and customers' instructions. The up-to-date versions of leading CAD/CAM systems help to solve the tasks at hand. Precise execution in welding is the main quality factor for the entire manufacturing process. For that reason, Traktsia AD has built a welding processes management system in accordance with EN 15085-2/2008 requirements. The system is certified by the German company TÜV Rheinland. The elaborate documents for manufacturing process management and approved welding procedures ensure the suitability of the main and auxiliary tools used, and the quality of the welded elements in all sections. In order to monitor quality, Traktsia AD has modern, up-to-date equipment. The company's specialists certified for carrying out the required tests, ultrasonic and magnetic defectoscopy, control and record all stages of the manufacturing process. To guarantee the quality of freight wagon repairs, Traktsia AD is certified under VPI, the system of requirements for the proper implementation of freight wagon repairs, which every plant of good reputation should meet in order to keep its customers and to attract new ones. Traktsia AD has its own oxygen station, gas station, compressor facility, water tower, and woodwork shop. These supporting units shorten the time for wagon repair and increase service quality. In order to maintain the welders' high qualification level and to train new staff, the company has established a welding training center, certified by all the necessary authorities. The welder's skills are periodically examined at the center. The product quality, correct relations with business partners, together with long-time experience and tradition, allowed Traktsia AD not only to keep its established position both on the Bulgarian and international market, but also to attract new customers looking for high-quality fulfillment of their requirements, which the company is able to offer.